This is the video guide about getting rid of the browser notifications related to the site News-molada.cc. News-molada.cc is a malicious site that may attack Google Chrome and other browsers. News-molada.cc attempts to make you click on this allow button, supposedly as a part of some browser checkup. The truth is that it's a mistake to click on allow, and this would hijack your browser immediately with multiple advertisements that will be attacking the screen in the form of web push notifications. If you have mistakenly clicked on that allow button, you need to fix your browser urgently. To fix it, access the menu, go to Settings, go down to Privacy and Security, then Site Settings. In Permissions, click on Notifications. Pay very careful attention to all these sites that are allowed to send notifications. When you find this news-molada.cc, remove it from the list. Also remove other deceptive sites from the list. Now, to be convinced that the system is free of any other threats, I recommend that you research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and then start examining the system with its help. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.